Good morning, Flyers. Welcome back to the Early Bird. Alongside me, as always, is the man, Mr. Shea Curry.
Good morning, Flyers.
We have a great show for today, so let's not waste any time. And Shea, water bottle flip. Roll the intro. Welcome back to the Early Bird. Happy Thursday, FHS, the last day of the school this week. Super exciting. This week is cut short, of course, because of the long holiday weekend as we celebrate Indigenous Peoples Day on Monday. Indigenous Peoples Day being the new holiday being celebrated, of course, recently in place of Columbus Day. Because as it turns out, Christopher Columbus was a really, really bad dude. And we want to celebrate our history right. Speaking of celebrating our history right, I wanted to share with you some history of Shea and I. We both took video production class back in sophomore year, and we frequently worked together on projects. Now, we will share with you one of the best projects we've ever made together. From the point of view from a safe. Please enjoy.
I wonder what it'd be like if I was that safe.
I can't wait to eat this schmacking little sandwich. 1, 2, 3, 4. He will never guess that password.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ha! That idiot! Ha! I knew he would leave his sandwich in here. Ha! Oh, this is good. Oh my god. Oh my god.
A few moments later.
Why is the safe open? Did you eat my sandwich?
Yeah, why?
That's actually funny, because I knew you were going to eat it, so I poisoned that. Ha ha ha! This is what you get for not inviting me to your apartment, to a Griffin.
What? You.
That's why you don't smack on my sandwich, you little gremlin.
Yeah, I mean, it was a pretty good video, I guess. I just don't know why we played it. Anyways.
Hey, you know what? There was a lesson learned. Don't schmack on my sandwich, you little gremlin.
Yeah, okay.
Anyways, now live in the studio is former All-State champion Sophie Albright's brother.
From California to the New York Island, from the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream water, this land was made for you and me.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, Sophie.
Brett's brother. Anyways, it's time for announcements. To lead us off is, what's this? T Swift?
Happy Frat Thursday.
Hi, the girls varsity volleyball team, well, the whole volleyball program has a game today at 4 versus Weymouth. If you see anyone wearing all pink, please wish them good luck. We'll all appreciate it.
Hi there. So the GSA has two announcements today. The first one is we're going to be doing a historical presentation because October is LGBT History Month. And also, the club is now going to end at 3:15 instead of however long it went on last time. So there you go. Have a nice day, guys.
Next week, Framingham Field Hockey is hosting a food drive.
Collection boxes will be located in E208 and at our home game at 3:45 on Wednesday.
Please bring non-perishables like canned goods and baking mixes.
Go Flyers. Hi, there's some signs up in the cafeteria to show support for the teachers running the Boston Marathon. So if you're at lunch, feel free to write a message for them. Thank you.
Hi again. Today after school, Best Buddies is having a meeting at C104, so if you find any interest in that, stop by.
Hey everyone, the Model Congress Club will be meeting today at after school at E101. We're going to be discussing our fundraiser with Panera, and come and join. Everyone's welcome.
Hey everyone, this Friday, aka tomorrow, the class of 2023, that's right, the juniors, will be having a Mad Willie's fundraiser at Mad Willie's, and that's tomorrow. And all you have to do is mention that you're there for the junior class at FHS, and some proceeds of your order will go to us. So that's super awesome. And guess what? It's not just tomorrow, it's actually next Friday, and actually every Friday in October. So swing by any Friday in October, mention that you're there for the class of 2023, and that'll be good.
That's all for today's episode of The Early Bird. Remember, if you want to watch this episode of The Early Bird or Flyer News again, as well as watch any show you missed, you can find that on our YouTube at Framingham High Studios. Tomorrow night, the Flyers take back the gridiron for the first time under the lights in 2 years. Make sure to come support the boys in blue by wearing pink for tomorrow's home game against New North starting at 6:30. Make sure to get there early, though, because the Early Bird gets the worm.